Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to continue with our lesson of Flash, that is the animation, and the lesson number is your lesson number 9. Okay, so quickly I am going to tell you what we are going to learn today. We are going to create symbols, how to create symbols, okay, and how to do shape twinning. Okay, what is that shape twinning? Shape twinning is your type of morphing effect. You have seen in many advertisements that one shape changes into the other, or the one object changes into the other. Like the bike is changes into your cheetah. Okay, so you have noticed that one thing is changing into another with the seamless effect of that changing. You are not going to see how that thing is changing and the thing will be changing. So that is known as your morphing effect. Okay, it's a type of animation effect. So two things we are going to learn. First is your morphing effect using your shape twin. Okay, so quickly we are going to do that. We have opened Flash. What you have to do? You have to click on Flash file action script 3. Yes, the stage is there. Now I want to change. थोड़ा सा इसमें हम इनोवेटिव करते हैं. स्टेज का सपोज कलर. You want to change the stage size, stage properties. How you can change? You are going to select the, okay, when you are going to click on this select background color of the stage, we are going to change that background color. Suppose I am going to take it as blue color, okay, or any other light color we are going to take. Suppose set of yellow. Okay, so this is my background color. Okay, so this is my background color. Now I want to show you the morphing effect or the shape twinning. How to do that? First we are going to make one shape. So we are going to click on the oval tool and clicking on the R key, it will be changing into your square. Selecting the type of color which I want. Suppose I want the yellow color square. I am going to make a yellow color square. Okay, now I want this square should change into circle. So I am going to click on this frame number 25, right click, insert keyframe. What is the shortcut key for inserting keyframe? F6. Okay, now I want this thing should be changed. This square should be circle. So what should I do? I will be selecting this, deleting this from this area, again selecting the shapes tool, pressing the O so that oval will be there, selecting the color of the oval. Suppose I want the green color and going to make one oval. Okay, now the first thing is a square, second thing is your oval. Suppose I want to make it more changes. I am going to click here, right click, insert keyframe. Okay, third keyframe will be inserted. Now I want my shape should change, so I will be selecting this, deleting that and inserting some other shape. So I'm going to click here and going to click on the polystar options. Okay, polygon, 5-sided polygon. Okay, changing the color also. So now I am going to take a blue color and the polygon, placing it to the same place. Okay, so this is my third shape. Now I want the fourth shape. So I am going to click here, insert keyframe, again select the thing which you don't want, delete that and changing the shape. Now I want, suppose the options, instead of this polygon star I want 5-sided star. Color I can select for a star. Suppose I want the red star. Okay, now I am having 4 shapes. One is your square, second is your circle, third is your pentagon and fifth is your star. Okay, near about all the 4 shapes are at the one place. Now I want कि these shapes should be changing. So I am going to click between this 1 and 25. Here you will see, जैसे ही मैं ये 1 और 25 के बीच में क्लिक करूंगी, you will see here twin. Twin में यहाँ पर जाके shape कर दीजिए. अगेन 25 एंड 50 के बीच में क्लिक करिए एंड यहाँ जाके आप शेप ट्विन कर दीजिए, शेप को ट्विन कर दीजिए. अगेन 50 और 75 के बीच में क्लिक करिए और यहाँ नन रहता है, बाय डिफॉल्ट इसको शेप ट्विन कर दीजिए. नाउ इफ आई एम गोइंग टू सी माई मूवी प्ले, सी okay, this is your seamless transition. I'm going to test this movie. See, the shape is changing into one from other with the seamless transition, and this seamless transition changing is known as your morphing effect, and this can be done using your shape twin. So very easy. Try to do this animation, try to change the shapes, try to make your own animations. You are more creative than me, so try this at your home. And one more thing we are going to learn, how to create symbols. Again I am going to click on the new file, action script 3, okay. Stage is there. How to create symbols, I am going to select your rectangle tool, okay, red color rectangle tool is there. I have selected this. Again I am going to change the color. Okay, again I am going to change the color. Suppose your black color is there, and going to change the shape. Now I want this should be converted into symbol. So first I am going to select it. The whole thing will be selected. Okay? After selecting, you will be clicking on the modify and convert to symbol, and the shortcut key is F8. Okay? यहाँ हमने इसका नाम दे दिया van and select किया graphics. Okay. So this will be your symbol. Now if you will delete this from here, okay, so you can place the instance of a symbol anywhere. Like I am going to click it here and going to click insert keyframe here and going to delete that here from and going to select this here. और यहाँ जाके अगर हमने कर दिया create motion twin, what happened? Your van will be moving. Okay, test movie. So two things we have done. First is you're creating symbols and second is your shape twin. Do this at your home. Bye bye for now. Bye.